Welcome to the English We Speak, where we dissect contemporary phrases to enhance your linguistic arsenal. Today, we're exploring "it's giving." Bait, could you clarify how this phrase has embedded itself in everyday parlance?
Absolutely, Fei. It's giving captures the essence or vibe of something, like when your outfit screams summer or your stylish flair signifies sophistication. It's a way of using language to express a felt sense or energy associated with something.
That makes sense. But what exactly lends gravitas to this phrase in modern cultural lexicon?
Its popularity skyrockets partly due to social media, where brevity and impact meld. It's used like a linguistic seasoning, adding drama or emphasis. For instance, a sleek restaurant decor giving expensive encapsulates both style and an elevated experience succinctly.
Given its ubiquity, can it risk becoming cliché or loss of meaning?
While it can certainly peak into overuse, its versatility ensures survival. Forward-looking, as it drifts into adverts and mainstream media, it adapts, perhaps even evolving nuances that keep it fresh and engaging.
Let's transition into the roots of its giving. Where did this phrase originate, and how did it infiltrate mainstream culture? Bait.
Originating from the LGBTQ+ community, particularly in drag culture, its giving was a way to express flamboyance and identity. These communities often spearhead linguistic trends that seep into wider society, pushing boundaries of traditional expression.
This crossover from niche to general use is fascinating. Have there been similar instances with other phrases?
Indeed, phrases like throwing shade and slay followed similar trajectories, enriching vocabulary and offering fresh frameworks for expression. Yet this mainstream penetration can sometimes dilute the original context and authenticity.
Are there critiques against this diffusion?
Yes, cultural appropriation concerns arise, arguing that mainstream adoption can sanitize and commercialize. However, evolving language is historically inevitable, propelling us toward broader inclusivity, understanding, and connection.
Diving deeper, what psychological functions do slang terms like "it's giving" serve in communication?
Great question, Fei. Slang fosters group identity and belonging. The phrase "it's giving" encapsulates emotions and perceptions succinctly, which enhances shared understanding within group dialogues, often boosting one's social cohesion and confidence.
It's intriguing how language can bridge connections, but do slang phrases sacrifice clarity for trendiness?
That's a valid perspective. While specificity might wane, the emotive power and immediacy it provides often outweighs this loss. As we advance, conducive to digital communication, slang can leverage succinct emotional expression, crucial in our fast-paced interactions.
And what about the impact on language evolution? Looking forward, as society becomes more digitally interconnected, slang will inevitably continue to evolve, capturing the zeitgeist. It acts as a linguistic laboratory, testing and refining how we communicate across diverse platforms and cultures.
Could this adaptability indicate a shift in established linguistic frameworks?
Yes, traditional linguistic boundaries are increasingly fluid. Technologies like AI might eventually co-opt slang to enhance human-machine interactions, rendering you understood regardless of formalism, and emphasizing natural dialogue over static language models.
It's a fascinating future. Are there potential drawbacks to this flexibility?
Certainly, while it democratizes and enriches, it might also challenge standard linguistic norms. Yet, these shifts underscore language as a living entity, ready to adapt and transform, much like the societies it serves.
As we continue our journey, the permanence and fluidity of slang will remain topics of enticing exploration. Bait, thank you for shedding light on the vibrant landscape of "it's giving."